According to recent news, Earth suddenly started spinning faster. Is the doomsday here, or is there nothing to worry about? Let's find out. On June 29, 2022, Earth made its fastest ever rotation, and on July 26, 2022, there was a day that lasted 1.50 milliseconds less. Notably, this is not the first time that the blue planet has spun faster. Atomic clocks have, however, recently revealed that the Earth's rotation is rapidly accelerating. In 2020, Earth recorded its shortest month, and July 19th was recorded to be the shortest day of that year. It was 1.47 milliseconds under 24 hours. The following year, Earth continued to rotate at a generally increased pace, but it did not break any records. Why is Earth rotating fast? 1. Some claim that poles' weight has seen a drop due to the melting of glaciers. 2. Others note that the molten core of our planet's interior is moving over time. 3. While some believe that seismic activity could be the reason. 4. Others believe it is because of Chandler wobble, which is a small deviation in the Earth's geographic poles across its surface. What are the consequences? 1. According to reports, Earth's fastening rotation could have major consequences on atomic clocks, which are used in GPS satellites. It won't take into account the Earth's changing rotation. 2. This means that GPS satellites, which already have to be corrected for the effect of Einstein's theory of relativity, will quickly become useless. 3. Apart from that, smartphones, computers, and other communication systems will render useless as they are synchronized with Network Time Protocol (NTP) servers. 4. Since the clock progresses from 23:59 and 59 seconds to 23:59 and 60 seconds before resetting to 0 o'clock, a time jump like this can crash programs and corrupt data. So, the doomsday is not here yet. Chill and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.